Hello friends, MoNaCo here. We have our 7th lecture video going down right now. We're talking about acid-base indicators. Acid-base indicator can be used to identify the pH of an acid or a base solution. Reference table M in our packs is the most useful tool in doing so. So, we know chemical reactions happen. Some chemical reactions can turn color, and acid-base indicators are a class of compounds that do just that when they touch acids or bases. So they're one color in an acid and a different color in a base. That's why they're useful, because they can tell us, is the solution acidic or basic? Period. There's table M. There is a list of 6 useful indicators: methyl orange, brom thymol blue, phenol phthalene, litmus, brom cresol green, and thymol blue. Now, litmus is liquid litmus, not to be confused with the paper litmus. They are similar, they do the same task, but beware. With an approximate pH range for color change, a mixture or blending of the two colors listed occurs. So, yellow to blue looks a little bit green, red to blue looks a little bit purple. This range is therefore also called the intermediate color region. So in between these pH changes, you have a little bit of obscurity as to what color these things turn. Generally speaking, though, the way you use this chart is you look at the pH of the solution that's given to you, you find the indicator, and you decide which color it's lighting on. So brom thymol blue, pH 6.4. Let's see what we got. Brom thymol blue, pH 6.4. That is brom thymol blue, pH 6.4. 6.4 is like right smack dab in the middle, so between yellow and blue. So halfway between yellow and blue, we'd call that intermediate or green. Probably going to be a little bit green looking, most likely. And that's how you use this chart. You're given a pH, you're given a chemical, you decide where it falls. Is it on one side, the other side, or smack dab in the middle? Brom cresol green at a pH of 5.0. So brom cresol green, pH of 5.0. Smack dab in the middle. So between yellow and blue would be kind of intermediate purple. I'm not going to pull any intermediate questions on you on the test. So let's look at situation. So these ones seem to be all intermediate as a result. So methyl orange, pH 3.9. Yeah. Phenol phthalene, pH 8.5. These all tend to be intermediate. Usually we look to either left side or right side. For example, if I were to change this number, pH of 10, phenol phthalene at pH of 10, you look up at the chart at phenol phthalene, pH of 10, 10's on this side, which means that it would be pink. That's what it would be. Now, if it was a pH of like 2, then we would be on this side of things, and it would be colorless. So that's kind of how this chart works. It's pretty simple to use once you get the hang of it. We'll have a lot of practice related to it. Using reference table N, complete the chart below. I got my paper copy right here. I'll do a couple examples. Let's see, table M, common acid-base indicators. Methyl orange, pH of 6. So methyl orange is 3.1 to 4.4 is its tradition. Below 3.1 it's red, and above 4.4 it's yellow. Well, this is pH 6, so that would definitely be yellow. Simple as enough. Brom thymol blue. Brom thymol blue changes between 6.0 and 7.6. This is a pH of 2.0, so that's below 6, which means that it's the left-hand side there, so that's yellow as well. It changes from yellow to blue. Yellow and acidic below 6, blue and basic above 7.6. That's how this chart works. These are the types of ones that you'll see. There won't be any intermediate changes. Phenol phthalene, pH of 7. Well, phenol phthalene is colorless up to pH 8. pH 8 to 9, it changes to pink, and pH 9 onward, it's pink. This is pH 7, so we'd say this is colorless. So I want you to do the rest of this particular part of your notes, because it is that simple. It really is. pH indicators Very simple. We had part of our POGL and 2 practice pack pages to do on this particular lesson. The only thing you could do is really understand how to use table M. And when we get to using the pH indicators on that POGL, do a little bit of it yourself to see how those colors change in different pH solutions. So thanks for watching this very short video. You kind of needed it after the last one.